So this is our second annual conference. We've established the conference on the back of need for the charities, to support the charities in Northern Ireland and to look at benchmarking from outside of the country and what we can learn lessons and use in our favour to our benefit. But also we are looking to identify not only the failings and the issues and the gaps in the system with local government, our police service and our central government DERA, but we want to work in collaboration. So it's important that we all recognise where the gaps are in the system, where the charities can help and what it means that we work together in collaboration, and that's what this year's conference was about. We're not necessarily asking for subsidisation. What we're looking is recognition of the work that we do, to actually put a monetary value to it and to then put that against all of the other unidentified funding in this country, because it is a multi-million pound industry, if not a multi-billion pound industry, and nobody knows that because nobody registers, nobody looks, there's no research to provide, we do not enforce, we do not check microchipping, which then would give us some evidence and information, so we do not make informed decision making in Northern Ireland, and that's what we're seeing over and over again in animal welfare. But what we want to do is we want to ask government to do a review, and that review would help them to make informed decisions on what it would look like, and then talking to us as stakeholders, we would be able to help them and discuss what the future and what the vision is and how we can help and work in collaboration to deliver it. And also it's very clear that people do not understand their roles and responsibilities. Local government and central government have a very strict legislative role and a very strict legislative remit, and they are not fulfilling it, and they are not desiring any kind of work towards them pulling it together and how they would work in collaboration. Now they say they do work in collaboration, but it is important that we actually look at where the gaps are, what we can do to work together to make sure that those gaps no longer exist, and the people who are working illegally are made to be either legal or the investigation and enforcement and prosecution is there, and that's fit for purpose. So we are looking for a fit for purpose service that meets the needs of our animals in this country, and that the charities are recognised for the work that they contribute towards it.